Welcome to the Floral POS. In this video, we're going to show you how to use our new order notes feature in version 6.1.35. So let's get started. So we've always had order notes in our system, but now this is a more feature-rich order notes functionality that allows you to add notes by date, time, and user. So let's go ahead and play around with this. Let's go ahead and open an in-store order. Let's go in the order browser, open in-store, and then let's unlock it. And right now you'll see that there's a couple new things here. We have a pin note checkbox. In the middle here we have order notes with a 0 next to it, and then we have the plus button, which is add order note, and we have the looks like a post-it note here. It says view order notes. So let's go ahead and add a standard note, and let's go ahead and hit the plus button here. So that works as normal. It's going to automatically save the note like you would expect it. If we go ahead and close out of here and reopen, you're going to notice that it actually has the order here like you've always seen it in the past. But now what we've added is a capability to add more than one note. So let's kind of explain this. What is a pinned note? A pinned note means that's the note that's always going to show up when you open the order. Down in the order notes area. It's kind of like the most important note that you want everybody to see when the actual order is opened. If you want to look at more notes or add more notes, we can just click on this open our view order notes button, and it's going to open up the new view or notes for order section. So now we can actually add another note here, and we can hit the plus button. Yes, I want to save it. And now you have two notes. So let's add another note. And we want to pin this one. So to do that, all you do is check mark pin, hit plus, save it, yes. And then when you X out of here, it's going to automatically pin it. So there it is. So if I close out of here again and reopen it, you're going to see that this order now, this note is actually pinned, and every time you open it, it's going to show up here. You can do the same thing here. So let's say we wanted to edit this, and then we hit either save or you hit the plus button, and it's going to give you a prompt. Is this a brand new note, or are you going to update the pin note? We're going to actually update the pin note. And that's easy. It's basically updated. If I reopen it, it's there. It's all updated and good to go. You can also notice here where it says order notes, it has 3 there. That's basically showing 3 notes. So let's say we wanted to add a new note here just for fun, and it wasn't pinned. You can do this. Hit the plus button, new note, and there it is. And one thing you're going to notice, it always brings back the pin note. So if we go ahead and click on this here, you're going to see that it actually has all your notes here. And you can actually move across from note to note to note. So let's say I wanted this one to be my new pin note. I just check mark it, hit save. And when you close out, there it is. Let's go back in there again. Let's do an edit. So if I want to edit this one here and save it, you can do that. Let's say I want this one to be the new pinned note. Hit save, X out, there is the new pinned note. So that's basically it. It functions the same on every single one of our orders, in a delivery, in a pickup, in a wire, and it's all available to you guys as of version 6.1.35, which will be available on Monday, 7/22 or 7/23, I think it is. So that's basically the new order notes inside the Floral POS in version 6.1.35.